A single sneeze blasts out of your mouth at nearly 100 miles per hour, faster than a city speed limit. This split-second explosion launches thousands of microscopic droplets into the air, each one a tiny, invisible missile. Those droplets don't just fall at your feet, they can rocket across a room, easily traveling over 20 feet before finally drifting down. That means one sneeze can scatter germs and particles farther than you'd ever expect, reaching people and surfaces you can't even see. Scientists have captured these sneeze clouds on high-speed cameras, revealing a swirling storm of moisture and microbes spreading out in every direction. The sheer speed and distance make sneezing one of the most powerful ways germs move through the air. Next time you feel that tickle in your nose, remember, it's not just a sneeze, it's a high-velocity launch that could send droplets flying farther than a football field goal.